German Aerospace Center is the Federal Republic of Germany's research center for aeronautics and space. We conduct research and development activities in the fields of aeronautics, space, energy, transport, security, and digitalization. Our over 10,000 employees share one mission: to explore Earth and space and develop technologies for a sustainable future. CODA is a compressible-flow CFD software for unstructured grids. It is integrated into the Python-based FlowSimulator framework for multidisciplinary analysis and design optimization. CODA features a wide range of physical models, ranging from steady-state Reynolds average Navier-Stokes equations with turbulence modeling to large eddy simulation capabilities. For the highest parallel scalability, CODA features a two-level domain decomposition and hybrid parallelization for distributed and shared memory.